And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to electrize a photo. We've got a filter for that. Let me copy the origin here, Ctrl D. The one on the right is selected, filters, image, paint and draw, and electrize. We've got a simple menu, just check the live preview. Let us first go to the levels. So it starts at 0 with the original, and the more you add to it, the more elements are given this color effect. I want to have it to 10 in this example. The simplify, it just takes away details and makes it a little bit blurry on the edges. Let me go down to 2, 3, something like that. You can also use a different effect type. So the discrete gives you a more like a painting effect. You can invert it. So just have a look right here. It's a cold color, and if you invert it, the cold colors are turned into warm colors and vice versa. So that's what this does. You can also add the discrete to the inversion, no problem with that. If you've got what you want, just apply it. You can reapply this effect, but it adds way too much noise. So in most cases that's not a good idea. And this is how you can add an Electrize filter to photos in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.